Hey, sorry, okay? Don't hate. Don't bite me either. Don't bite my foot. Hey, you scared me. Oh, God. Why are you biting me? Jeez. I just had to blow my nose. Oh, shoot. You're freaking psycho. Tarzan, no. Get out of here. I had to blow my nose, okay? What's wrong with that? What's wrong with that? You need to go on that show with crazy psycho cats. No, don't bite my feet. No. No. Be nice. Oh God, oh God, oh God. I'm glad you don't have claws. You're so mean to me. Yes, I'm just sitting here. What is your problem? Look at that crap. Is that really necessary? Stop. Rub tails back down, you crazy cat. No. Not the foot. Not the foot. It's gonna hurt. Stop. Stop. You are in a bad mood. Following me. Go away. Ow! Go away. Okay, stop. Stop. It's not funny anymore, Jace.